Hey everyone, welcome back to LG Mindset Podcast, where we will explore ways to grow, to learn, and live our best lives. Today's topic is one I know a lot of you are curious about: how to make money online as a teenager. Whether you want to save for something special, help out at your home, or just get ahead, start on financial independence, I've got you covered, and let's dive right in. First of all, making money online is ideal for teenagers because it's so flexible. You can work around school, sport, other responsibilities. Plus, it gives you a real-life experience with money management, creativity, and even basic business skills you need to know. The internet gives us endless opportunities. So why are you not taking advantage of it? So let's talk about some practical ideas, of course. I will break them into 6 categories so you can find something that fits your interest and skills. The first one is freelancing. Do you have skills like graphic design, video editing, or even writing? Platforms like Fiverr or even Upwork let you offer services to clients worldwide. It's a great way to start building a portfolio while making money. And why is this so good? Because you can have so many different skills. For example, I have skills into marketing. I have skills into writing a book, for example. And what I do is that I go to Fiverr, I just put my name, etc. I put like what I do. I put like how many hours I can work, and also for like how much I take. And then people come to me, they ask me, can you do this and this and this for my business? I'm like, okay. And then it's so simple. I just do whatever I like. So I just love to edit. I love to make, like, for example, ads and stuff, and I just do it. So I take maybe like 1 hour per day. I just do what the clients ask me, and then I just get paid. And that's it. It's so easy to do, and it's so simple. Content creation. Love being creative? Start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or even a blog. Once you build an audience, you can monetize with ads, sponsorship, and literally make money of it. Content creation, I know it takes time, but if you're consistent, it can become a fun and profitable venture. That's something I truly love. I do this, for example, on LG Mindset. I create ads. I also create like content and stuff like that. The difference is that I'm not really consistent on it, and that's something I need to work on. For example, TikTok, what I do is that every single weekend, for example, today, Saturday, I just basically do like at least 7 to 10 TikToks videos, and then I also put the days, put also the hours I want it to go out, and then that's it. So that's so simple because nowadays you have so many cool strategy to basically be consistent. For example, on Instagram, I haven't saw this where you can put the dates and stuff, but I need to I need to search a little bit more, because on Instagram it's a little bit complicated for me to be consistent. But it doesn't mean that because I can't, you can't also be consistent. I'm sure you can. And if you really like it, it's even better. Selling online. If you're into crafts, try Etsy. I talked about it so many times. For those cleaning out their closet, platforms like Depop or even Vinted are great for reselling clothes. I know it sounds like, oh, Vinted? Nah, I won't make a lot of money. On TikTok, I saw a guy that was selling his clothes and selling so much things for literally like a good price, and he was making so much money of it. And you know what? He literally bought his own apartment at 16 years old. Can you ever imagine this? It's like incredible. And basically what he do, he buys like a big box with so many clothes for like maybe 100 euros, something like that. But you don't need to start with this. But when you start by basically buying like a big box and stuff, you have like so many clothes, and there are so many good brands, and you can make so much money of it. It's really cool. But trust me, if you really are consistent with this, you can make a lot more money. So basically, start small with your own items or even source things to sell. It's a great way to build entrepreneurial skills. So, tutoring or teaching. Are you good at a specific subject or skill? Because you can offer online tutoring or teach things like music or coding to other teenagers. For example, what I do is that I'm a lot into personal development. What I do is that I tutor. I also am a mentor of 3 people. And it's so funny because there are 2 where I do this for free because they're my friends and I just want to do this for free. But there is one where he pays me every time and I teach him so many things about really personal development. It's basically like I'm his personal coach, let's say. So, for example, sites like Check or even tutoring apps let you set your own hours and rates and also your own prices. It's so interesting to do this, and I feel like so many one of you can do this, really. And it's not like about teaching, for example, math or something like that. I'm really talking about a specific subject, for example, marketing or like personal development like I do or something else. Social media management. If you understand social media trends, you could help small businesses with their Instagram or TikTok accounts. Many small businesses are looking for help, but you don't have the budget for a full-time manager, and you can offer services as a freelancer. I know 2 people that do this, and they make so much money, and I just want to do the same thing. So I think I'm going to build this. For 2025, it could be really good to start like an agency, basically an SEO agency. It could be very interesting because I know that here in Luxembourg, there isn't a lot of agencies about like SEO optimization, and I think that could be really interesting. Instagram or TikTok accounts, really, if you really understand the social media management, this could be a great way to make a lot of money because some people can offer you between like 50 euros till like 1,000, and I'm not even joking. I'm serious because I know 2 people that are doing this and they make hella good money. So here are some tips to make sure you will succeed. First, be consistent because success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient and consistent with your work. Don't get discouraged if things take time. Be cautious about who you work with and never share personal details online. Always prioritize your safety and security. Every experience is a lesson, even if it's just figuring out what works and what doesn't. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. I made so many mistakes throughout my life, even if it's about like, for example, school or even like my business and stuff. I did so many things. I did already 3 businesses. I built 3 businesses. 1 crashed out. The second one because someone left. And then the third one, it is working. What I want to tell you is that it's not because the first one doesn't work, it will never work. It's not because the second one will not work, that it will never work. The third one, same thing. If it doesn't work out, do it again. Learn from your mistakes. What did you do? What was wrong? And learn from it. And I will tell you, this will bring you to success. And last one, don't let this take over your time with friends and family. It's important to stay balanced and manage your time wisely. I wanted to talk about this because maybe some of you will tell yourself, well, no, I need to be like consistent on what I do, etc. Yes, you need. What I want to share with you is that what I struggle with is that I work so much. It's been 1 year since I've been so much consistent with my work. Yes, I gain into followers. I am a lot more popular in the business world. I succeeded in so many things. With my family, I have a very small family. I have my sister and I have my mother, and they're so important for me. And what I saw is that I wasn't passing time with them. I was always in my room, always working and working because I want to succeed so bad. Since I was 13, my dream was to have my own business, and I just felt like I was like forgetting them, and I was always in my room, always working. Even with my friends, I forgot that I have even friends, and a lot of people understand me because I want to succeed so bad, but you really need to have a balanced life. For example, do sports, read every day, pass time with your friends. For example, every single Saturday, I always want to take 2 to 3 hours to spend with my friends, to spend it with my entrepreneurial groups. It's so fun to talk with them because they're all like motivating me. It's really fun. But really take the time for yourself also, because that's very important. If you have a bad mindset, you will not succeed. You need to have a good mindset. You need to have a balanced life. And you need to think about the fact that you also have a family. So stay consistent by always working a little bit, at least like 2 to 3 hours per day. It's really important for your mental health. So making money online as a teenager isn't just about earning cash. It's about learning skills that will set you up for your future. It's also about discovering what you're passionate about and how you can turn that into opportunities. And remember, this is the time to experiment and have fun with it. So that's it for today's episode. If you found these tips helpful, share this podcast with a friend who might need it too. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok at LG Mindset for more updates. Thank you for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!